Hey there, and welcome back to how to make your online store. So sorry for having to create this part 2 video, my fault entirely. But in any case, I'm glad you're here and hope you had a rewarding break. The items in non-bold font indicate what we did in part 1, what we completed. And the bold items 6 through 10 are what we're going to do right here today. Fortunately, I was able to take this screenshot of the website you saw in part 1 that we're going to build. So we have that, as well as our list to refer back to. Oops. There we are. Alright, so let's dive right in. Part 6, Design Homepage. To begin designing your homepage, hover on the upper navigation and click Page. Now, if you're someone like me, you'll write something exciting here, but you could just write homepage. We're going to go with something a little more exciting though. In line with the theme of our website, which is a photo store from Minnesota. Once you've written out a good title for your homepage, under template, just choose homepage. Alright. And then publish. Good work publishing your very first page. I'll say right now that if we right click on this home icon, we can open our website in a new page, which can be helpful as we design. Nothing has changed, so to make this page our home page, we need to go to Appearance, we need to go to Settings, Reading, choose Front Page Displays a Static Page, choose a front page, and choose the one we just made. Save changes, refresh the home page, and here's the page we just made, ready to be filled in with content. You can set any page you like to your front page, also known as your home page, and doing this gives us a lot more control. Let's now click Edit Page and put in some text. Copy the text I made for the video. Paste. The Visual tab will show us the Microsoft Word version of what's going on, and the Text tab will show us the plain code, also known as the HTML. But we don't need to mess with this right now. Click Update and View Page. The reason our homepage looks like this right away is because we've chosen the homepage template that our theme comes with. You can obviously change this text to anything you want, and you can change this link, which I already inserted, by either deleting that text or highlighting new text, clicking the Insert Edit Link button, and adding a link to somewhere like google.com, and then just clicking Add Link. But make sure you get the http:// in there, or just copy a link in. In any case, I'll give you this text below in the video notes to play around with, and of course, this could all be about anything you want to sell, like t-shirts or jewelry or furniture or whatever you want. To upload images to the site, click Media, and then Add New. Click Select Files, and we'll upload some amazing images from our home computer. I like putting everything in one folder to start with. That way I can select all and click Enter, and WordPress will upload everything at once. These are the images we'll use for our product thumbnails as well as our image gallery sliders. There we go. We can create as many image gallery sliders as we want on this website, but to create our first one, click Meta Slider, click the plus button, click Add Slide, choose an image, and click Add to Slider. Repeating this process, we can get several images into an image gallery. You can rearrange images by clicking and dragging them, and you can also delete them with the red trash button. I'm going to name our slider something simple and save it. Choose what type of slider you'd like here, as well as other dimensions. And in advanced settings, I want 100% wide output. With that done, all we need to do to insert this slider onto our home page is copy this short code right here. Copy that meta slider ID equals 27. I'm not sure why it is 27, but then go over to the page's home page or front page, edit, text tab because we're pasting in some code, paste, update, and now view homepage. And there we go. We've created our first image gallery slider. The dimensions of the slider can easily be changed right here. Let's make our slider taller and save. Now the results should show up right away. Creating your products is obviously extremely important, and they'll automatically show up on your homepage. Hover on New, click Product. I like choosing the featured image first because that's what goes in the image thumbnail on the home page. Choose our wolf. I'm going to write in lower text and upper text, which can obviously be any description you want. This is just for a placeholder. Write in your product name. Choose a price for the product and a sale price if you'd like. Add a category. You can add as many categories as you'd like. And now let's publish our first product and check out the website. Our first product will now show up in recent products, which it is, as well as on sale products, which it also is because we created this sale. The two product categories we made, animals and nature, will show up as their own thumbnails. To assign an image, just click the product category, edit product category, thumbnail, upload, add image, choose an appropriate image, use image, update, and you're all set with that. Clicking through to our Wolfthorn Wolf Ridge, we can see how our thumbnail image automatically displays in a pop-out lightbox gallery. We have our social media share icons from one of the plugins we installed, and the lower text is here while the upper text is here. That part's a bit counterintuitive, but if we edit product, we see the lower text goes in the upper window and the upper text in the lower window. Just remember that. In the spirit of time, I'll add in a few more products now so we can see how this website comes together. There we go. Better. The products have filled in just where they should. But I'm not content with the way the whole homepage is laid out, so let's customize it. Go to our dashboard, and under Appearance, click Customize. In this section, you can change a lot of features about how the website looks, like colors and different arrangements. But for now, let's go to our homepage control and get rid of some of the unnecessary sections like categories, recent products, popular products, and so on. There we go. We can also drag and drop items as we like. and that looks better. You can see this is all really easy and convenient with the Customize window. So let's save and publish. X out to go back to the dashboard and check out our homepage. Also going to close Quick Install. We got that to our email. Alright, we can see we have on sale products, but how do we get featured products? How do we tell the website to feature different products? Go to our dashboard, click on products. Now, using this quick edit feature, open up a product and just check the featured box and update it. Let's do another one. Update. And then 2 more just so they span all the way across the homepage. Feature the wolf, and we'll feature down there. Now if we check out our website, we have 4 featured products displayed nicely on the homepage. Beautiful. Step 7, more pages. This might seem ridiculous given we already do have a lot more pages by installing the WooCommerce pages, but you might want to add something like a contact page by going to New, Page, Contact, and then inserting something like a contact form here. You can also choose a template like full width, but don't choose homepage because we've already chosen that one. And publish. We can add another page for maybe an about us, and you get the picture. You can create as many pages as you want. Those pages will automatically fill themselves in right here, which brings me to our next step. Step 8, header and footer. Our website header is this black area up top, and it's quite important as it's often the first area that our customers will see. So let's edit it with care. First off, let's create an actual menu. It might look like we have a menu here, but this is just WordPress guessing in what order our pages should go in, and some of them don't have anything there at all. To create our menu, go to Dashboard, Appearance, Menus. Start by giving the menu a name, something that explains the menu. Click Create Menu. Click the location of the menu, which is our primary menu in this case. And now, using these tabs on the left, go ahead and choose which different pages you'd like listed in the menu. Then click Add to Menu. Of course, we can rearrange these to our content. To create a homepage link, let's just choose that page we made for our homepage and add to menu. To call this home, just open the tab, delete the navigation label, and write in whatever you want. With that done, click Save Menu. You could also create a secondary menu and a handheld menu, or any other menus that your theme allows if you want. Checking out the website, our menu now makes a lot more sense. To insert a logo into the header that maybe you've made yourself or had someone on Fiverr make for you, back to the dashboard, and we have to do one annoying step, which is in Jetpack. We have to link our site with WordPress.com. Now, it's an extra step because you have to create a WordPress.com account if you don't have one, but I do recommend it these days because WordPress.com comes with lots of awesome features that we can use right from WordPress.org. Click Connect to WordPress.com. Pop in your username and your password, and authorize. Should be good to go in a moment. Again, we're doing this so we can use some awesome features, and those features all exist in Jetpack plugin. Now let's go back to Appearance, Customize. And Jetpack went ahead and added this and logo portion. Opening this up, we now have a logo set option. We can click Add Logo, choose the logo that we uploaded with our media, set as logo, save and publish. Might take a moment to appear, but now when we look at our website, we'll see this beautiful text logo that I made populate right there, which is pretty awesome. I like clicking delete cache every now and then just to clear any images that might be stuck in the internet and show us the most current version. Alright, editing our footer is very similar to editing our header. Back to the dashboard, Appearance, Customize. Now in Widgets, open up Widgets, and we have 4 different sections for footer widgets. Let's open up number 1, add a widget, and then choose whatever you might feel is relevant. At the moment, we don't have all this content, but we can choose a products list, close it, and we can choose other things like recent reviews, change the name if we want, close it, footer 3, add widget. You can put as many widgets as you like in one footer column, or you can spread them out. And a 4th widget. Maybe just the cart. New title, make it more personal. Save and publish. And now our footer is looking a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and add some reviews now. Let's go to products, and just go ahead and open up any product, and I'll show you how to enable reviews. Click Advanced and enable reviews. Update. Now if we view the product page, we have this option right here for reviews, where anyone who's used your product or bought it and enjoyed it can go ahead and give it a rating. Hopefully they give you a good rating, and say whatever it is they want. Submit a review, and then that review will automatically append to the product page, as well as to anywhere else where you chose to display reviews. Of course, this review is by me, but hopefully you have reviews by lots of different customers. It looks like 2 of our widgets didn't get titles, so let's go back to Storefront, Widgets. We can get there through the upper nav, and let's see what happened with those titles. Alright, got 1 title in, and widget 3 needs a title. So it really helps to create your own titles. And that should do it. Save and publish. And we got ourselves a footer. The footer is also a great place for social media or something like a map to your physical location. At the moment, I'm going to add some items to the cart like Wolfthorn and Green Moto. And now we see those will automatically show up in our shopping cart dropdown in the header, as well as in the footer section, giving our customers ample space to purchase more or edit the cart to their heart's desire. We're almost done with part 8, and then the fun begins after that. But we're going to edit the sidebar now too, so I could have called this section header and footer and sidebar. To change our sidebar, back to the dashboard, Now instead of appearance customize, we'll go to appearance widgets. This is just a different widgets area where our sidebar lives. And this list right here shows the different items that would appear, close my inbox, on any standard page with a sidebar, like this product. Products can also be full width pages, by the way. Alright, we're going to delete items in this sidebar. We're going to delete just about everything. Sometimes it takes a moment to zap an item, but you get the picture. Alright, with our sidebar clear, we can go ahead and add some top-rated products, just like Amazon does. Just click Add Widget, and then choose how many products to show, click Save. We can also add social media, like a Facebook box. There it is, our Facebook like box from Jetpack. Add Widget. Standard title. Go ahead and type in the URL of your Facebook page, your fan page that is. And we want the right widths, which I know are 231 width by 443 height. 231, 443. Save. And now if we refresh this page, which has a sidebar, we'll get our top rated products as well as our Facebook box, and the width and height, just make sure that these little people icons show in with nice borders and nice white space around them. I did want more top rated products though, and not sure why all 10 didn't show, and that of course actually would because we don't have 10 products yet. But once you do, then more products can display right here. Step 9, pretty code. Our pretty code is inspired by Amazon.com, where I love shopping along with millions of other users. So if you want your site to look a little more like Amazon, then use this pretty code which I wrote for you for this tutorial. You'll find it in the notes below, like lots of our other resources. And all you have to do is basically copy paste it into the site. So now we have our site looking like this. But the pretty code is going to give us a wider search bar. It's going to tighten up the items so there's less wasted space. And it's going to give us this really nice font right here in our homepage description. So, very Amazon-esque features. This pretty code exists in two parts, and the first part is at Google Fonts. If you visit Google Fonts and look for a font called Dancing, you'll get this cursive font. Just click this button here for quick use. Scroll down, click once here, and copy this code. Alright. So this is also showing you how to use Google Fonts on your website, which could be interesting later on if you want to change any font at all. For now, just go to the dashboard, Appearance, Editor, header.php, and paste this code in right before this closing head tag is what that's called. Don't worry, this won't break anything. You can just paste it in like that, right before this part that you see right here. Update file. We get a success message, so nothing broke. Now you want to go back to the dashboard, Appearance, Edit CSS. Alright. And then pull in the code that I'll link for you in the video notes. Just copy all of it from the window that I give you. Highlight this part right here, which is just some dummy text. and paste. And this code isn't linking to anything sketchy or some other website of mine. All it is just editing the original designs of your storefront theme. It's moving a couple things around and eliminating a couple others, and you'll see that if you'd like, it'll make your site look more like Amazon.com and hopefully get you more sales. So with that in there, save the style sheet, check out the site, and we can now see it looks quite different in the header with a wider search bar and a skinnier menu, and the entire homepage is tightened up so there's less dead space. Perhaps coolest of all, we have this awesome cursive font for our homepage welcome text. And if you did want to remove all this styling, you can just delete that custom CSS, save, and it'll go right back to normal. Congratulations, you're now done with 9 out of 10 steps to make your online store. Step 10, test, launch, and celebrate. In this final step, we'll be testing our site to make sure the payment system works and that we can accept payments to our PayPal account before we go and tell the world what we're doing here. I'm going to run through what a customer would do in buying one of our products here, which again could be anything you sell like furniture or jewelry or t-shirts or downloadable products or anything like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and buy this wolf thorn photo. And to do that, I'm going to first make a coupon so that I don't have to spend a ton of money. To make a coupon, hover on New and click Coupon. Give the coupon a name which would hopefully match your marketing campaigns. And then a coupon amount. Choose the type of discount, and product discount means a dollar value off of another dollar value. Publish. With our coupon active, I'll now add Wolfthorn to the cart, and then I can either click View Cart here or right here in our header dropdown. I'll remove Green Moto, enter in our coupon, apply coupon, change that total to 1, update cart, and we can see our cart total now reflects the $5 payment due. Alright, so now let's proceed to checkout. And someone could click here if they forgot to enter the coupon before. I need to create my own personal account on the online store. So I'll do this quickly. This is all really easy for a potential customer and looks a lot like Amazon or other e-commerce stores they would use like Seamless or Spotify or Netflix or Grubhub or something like that. And don't worry, I have looked around and compared. Alright, now let's choose how we want to make the payment to the online store. We have 3 options, and you can change these if you like. These are the standard options, which usually work more than well enough. So I'll choose PayPal because that's going to let me use PayPal or credit card once I go through and click Proceed to PayPal. See how it says you can pay with your credit card right there. Because not everyone has a PayPal account. Not all your customers will. Alright, now I'll not pay with PayPal. I'll pay with a credit card. Click the credit card tab and enter in all the information. I'm just going to block this out now so that you can't go on a shopping spree with my credit card. And then at the bottom, let's just click Pay. Alright, so PayPal will do its thing. Make sure that process is 100% secure. And then we get a thanks for your order message. Alright, so if I were your customer, you would have just received a sale. And the way you know is in your email inbox. what's going to happen is your customers will get this message from WordPress and WooCommerce thanking them for their order, for their own records. Then you'll get this email saying there was a new customer order, which is one of the best emails you can get. And it also shows you the shipping address that you'll then have to ship the product off to complete the sale. This is just another email going out to the customer from PayPal. And then this is the payment received email you'll get, which will also feel pretty good. Alright, pretty cool. So you now know that your online store works and can collect payments from customers all around the globe or just in your local town. Second to last, we want to launch our website using the social media outlets. Alright, so that's just one example of how you could launch, and I recommend going overboard as opposed to going underboard. And then of course you can celebrate however you want. So enjoy that too. As you can see, that brings us to the end of our tutorial, and it's time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching. I wouldn't be here without people like you, and it's an honor to teach you about WordPress. I want to remind you to please use the coupon Coffee Money to get 1 cent hosting if you're going to sign up at HostGator or if you're just going to make a website anyways. That helps you get a great discount and gives me a bit of credit for making these videos. So, thanks. That's about it, folks. Please remember to check the notes below this video for lots of goodies from yours truly. Remember that Storefront is just one of many e-commerce online store designs you could make. And being on the web is a responsibility, but it's also a lot of fun. And I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.